Why is it that in Python, calling a function like append to list and a value of 1 returns a list with just 1, but when calling append to list and a value of 2, it returns a list with 1 and 2? This may seem like a bug, but it's actually not. The answer has to do with the behavior of default arguments and mutable objects like lists. Here's the function. First call, append to list with a value of 1, returns just a list with 1. Second, append to list with a value of 2, returns a list with 1 and 2. And third, append to list with 3, returns a list with 1, 2, and 3. The list just keeps growing across calls. The key is that default arguments in Python are evaluated only once, when the function's defined, and not on each call. So that empty list is created just once as the default argument for my list. Since lists are mutable, meaning they can change in place, every call without a new list reuses and modifies the same shared object. Elements accumulate because it's one persistent list in memory. To prove it, check the identities with the function id. Same memory location, so same object. But if you pass a fresh list to the function, like append to list 1 with an empty list, it starts over without any sharing. This trips up beginners and pros alike, especially with dictionaries or sets as defaults. Any mutable type behaves this way. So what's the takeaway? Never use mutable defaults. Use none instead and initialize inside. Now append to list with 1 returns just 1, and append to list with 2 returns 2. Safer code every time. Python quirks like this keep us on our toes.